Welcome back, Travel Bugs. So here it is. I promised you guys this video telling you guys how valuable Chase points are. You ready? Okay, so I'm sure by now you're so tired of me talking about how amazing Chase is, how amazing their points are. Well, I do it for a reason. I'm sorry, I'm gonna continue doing it until something changes. I value Chase points above anything else. This is why I use my Chase Sapphire Reserve over my Amex Platinum. The Platinum, I carry for its added benefits, the things that I don't get with my CSR. Why? Because the Chase Ultimate Reward points are just too valuable. And I'm gonna show you just how valuable. Here it is. So first off, my mom needs a flight from Fort Myers to Boston. So of course, she comes to me because I do a lot of her booking just because, hey, I'm the travel guru of the family. So first, I'm gonna go ahead to Google Flights and search out the cheapest flights. Now she is looking for a non-stop one, so it's gonna be a little bit pricier. We're not gonna be able to get those cheap connecting flights. So we're gonna look for the cheapest non-stop flight and then see how much it's gonna cost us in Chase UR. All right guys, so here I am on Google Flights. I've already searched out the dates. The dates are May 24th through June 4th. Again, she's flying from Fort Myers to Boston. You can see the dates here, and it's on JetBlue. JetBlue, I think, is the only carrier that flies nonstop from RSW to Boston. This is the cheapest flight, I assure you, $313, and it's the ideal hours for my mother. She's going to be leaving in the afternoon after picking up my brother from school, and then she's gonna be leaving early in the morning to return home. All right, so we've got it here. It's 313 bucks. Now let's go over to our Chase portal. I've already searched the itinerary. So here we have Fort Myers to Boston, May 24th, and then Boston to Fort Myers, June 4th. Same flight, same hours. You'll see here that it's a 4:33 p.m. departure from RSW, and from Boston Logan, it's a 5:40 a.m. departure. If we go back here to Google, you'll see that. We've got the 4:33 p.m. departure from RSW, and then the 5:40 a.m. departure from Logan Airport. Here's the $313 here on Google Flights. And we have the same price here, $312.40. What's 60 cents, right? Okay, now here's the points value. 20,826 points. Now, if we were to convert that to dollars, that would be $200.86. So we're saving $112 by booking through Chase. And you don't even have to book it all with points. You can book some with points and then some with cash. So you'll still be paying less cash value. You'll still be saving because of the savings you'll be getting by using the points. So that's just about it, guys. I don't know what other way I can put it. It's just these points are very, very valuable. The 20,000 points, like I said, if you were to redeem that for a credit onto your account, it'd be worth 200 points. But right here, it's buying you a plane ticket for $313. So that's important. That's the value. I'm gonna be doing similar videos for this, like this in the future, just to give you guys more of a feeling. But feel free, ask questions, I'll answer them. Your questions might help me better explain this in the future, show you different types of redemptions that may be more valuable to you. But that's just about it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what your thoughts are so I can reply and get you guys the answers that you're looking for. Thanks for watching. As usual, we'll be back with more content. That's it for now, though. Ciao.